The person who created these car model evolution videos you're seeing earned approximately $4,629 this month with this concept. And what you need to produce this content is not a camera, not your face, just AI. Today, I'm teaching you exactly how to make this content in the highest quality and fastest way, and I'm giving you the prompt for free. But first, let's go to Gemini to start producing our video. I type start to launch the gem I specifically prepared for this content. This bot researches everything from car model history to research. When our answer arrives, we write a car model. The bot does its research for us and presents us with a draft. If you approve it, for a high quality and realistic video, you will receive as many image and video conversion prompts as the number of previous models the car you chose has. To access this high quality gem in the same master prompt, you can join our Telegram group for free via the link in the video's description. After Gemini gives us our prompts, we first copy our first image prompt and go to the OpenArt website. We select the Create Image tool in the side menu and first select our image production model as Nano Banana 2 to get a fast and high-quality result. Then paste the prompt we copied into the prompt section right below. Finally, we set our output settings to 9:16 vertical format and 1K resolution and click the Generate button to create our first scene image. After our image is created, it will look like this. We check it and save it. Then, to produce our second scene, we click on the Edit Image tool again from the side menu. After dragging and dropping our first scene image into the empty space in the panel that opens, to produce our second scene image, we go back to Gemini and copy our second image prompt. When we return to OpenArt, we paste this second scene image production prompt into the prompt section below the image we dragged. After making sure the production model is Nano Banana 2, we click the Generate button to create our second image. The reason we use the Edit Image tool is to achieve a seamless consistency between the scenes. Our produced second scene will look like this. We check it and save it, and finally move on to the video production section. At this stage, we first click on the Frame to Video tool from the side menu. In the panel that opens, we first select the video production model as Kling 3.0 for this concept. Then we drag our first generated image into the Start Frame section and our second generated image into the End Frame section. After that, we go back to Gemini and copy our first video prompt and return to OpenArt and paste it into the video prompt section below our scenes. Finally, after making sure the video's audio settings are on, we set the duration to 8 seconds and the resolution to 720p in the output settings. Then click the Generate button to create our video. Throughout the entire process, you can use higher quality or more budget-friendly AI models based on your budget. Of course, most importantly, make sure to create original and effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, keep in mind that you may not be able to sustain your presence on YouTube for long. Here is what the first scene of our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.